Introducing the E.C.D Classic, a timeless masterpiece born from the heritage of Land Rover Defender. The undeniable simplicity of this vehicle keeps true to its beginnings for the enthusiasts that appreciate the authenticity of the Classic's roots. At E.C.D Auto Design, we understand the allure of classic trucks, and we are proud to offer our newest product that celebrates the true heritage of the Land Rover Defender, as if it just rolled off the factory line 25 years ago. We've meticulously curated every detail of the E.C.D Classic, preserving its iconic design from the exterior, interior, and under the hood. Manufactured in the UK at our E.C.D UK facility with the E.C.D team, each E.C.D Classic begins with a Defender 90 or 110 and undergoes a painstaking restoration process, where our skilled craftsmen and women breathe new life into every component, ensuring that every vehicle meets our exacting standards of quality and authenticity. The vehicle comes as standard with either a 300 TDI engine or TD5 turbo diesel. Both are supplied with a 5-speed manual transmission as standard, along with all-wheel drive. The original interior gives a high-quality factory feel. No detail is overlooked, as these classics are brought back to life just as they were when first introduced. Upgrade options available include materials, front seating, load area seating, stitching, air conditioning, audio, and exterior options, amongst many others. But the E.C.D Classic isn't just about looks. It's engineered to tackle the toughest terrain with ease, thanks to its robust chassis, powerful drivetrain, capable suspension system, and four-wheel drive setup. Embark on an unforgettable journey through a diverse terrain with the E.C.D Classic as your trusted companion. With its rugged construction and advanced off-road capability, E.C.D Classic's versatile performance ensures a thrilling adventure at every turn. Experience timeless elegance and unmatched performance of the E.C.D Classic. Rediscover the joy of driving a true icon, the Land Rover Defender or 90, as it was driven off the line 25 years ago. Be sure in the confidence of knowing your Classic was rebuilt to the highest quality by the team at E.C.D Auto Design. Contact us today and begin your adventure into the past.